So if you see, I have taken 4 lots of crude oil mini. Uh, just checking the charts on Zerodha. Okay, and if you see Nifty today on equity side, it opened gap up, okay, and the whole gap was covered throughout the day. So the stock was up but coming down throughout the day and finally recovering bit by bit now. So if you see whatever we were observing, so it does not broken. Okay, this is just for learning purpose only. So 59.70 was what we are looking. Later part, slowly it finally broke and gave more than 0.3%. Okay, so 0.3% of this will be around 15 paisa. Okay, so it has given more than that. So the movements are very slow, like we thought observe above. High movements are very slow cause of market, and also we were talking about Nifty has opened up gap up, when that we were discussing in the morning itself, how it has happened gap up and later coming down to cover the gap. Now recovery towards up slowly, so the movements will be very slow. So this is what we do, lifetime learning and bonding in our Smart Share Secret Telegram channel. So sometime I will update more stocks, sometime less stocks depending on the market, and based on my free time I will be posting here. So considering the stocks are not moving, so let's say now let's look into commodity. So I've taken an average price of 3933. Okay, so 1 rupee movement, 5 stocks, 5 lots, 50 rupees. Okay, so 10 rupees movement is around 500 rupees. So like the capital in this is very small, so it's a learning time for us also. Upstock has changed its interface if you see. Okay, so Upstock has around before it was coming over here, right here like this, but now everything is almost like Zerodha. You have orders over here, portfolio and all those things. Watch list has come over here, so the interface has been changed. They are upgrading now. I feel it is better to use now compared to before. It's been long time doing commodity. Just because we are not getting advantage in equity side, we are taking advantage in commodity, because somehow I have to put a live trade video. Nifty is still not become green till now. Yes, a small recovery is only there. This one went up to 59.90, so 20 paisa above our level also. But most of the stock, if you see, they have just moved away and have come down. Anyways, crude oil mini currently in the peak. If the chart option would have, they would have given the chart option directly on the portfolio. I'm not sure if they're given the option here. They would have given chart option here, it would have been more great. I have to go in the watch list and have a look on the chart. So if you see, crude oil open gap down today, and slowly the gap is been getting covered little by little, right? So when a gap happens, it tries to cover the gap initially. So we're just trying to take advantage during that period. We're just applying theories to this commodity. don't have much experience in commodity, but still I'm just applying the theory of equity. What I do, end of the day, charts will be charts, but obviously the behaviors will be a little bit different, the way equity moves and way these commodity moves. But I'm just trying to apply those and trying to find answers from the market. So the stock price has come up 3942 somewhere around. Just exited one quantity, now just planning to exit the rest. So 350 rupees is what it got exited at. So 3940 it got sold 7 rupees up in this particular trade. So anyways, it was a good practice. So 350 rupees, so almost out of 10,000, let's say 3.5% profit in this particular trade. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like, subscribe, also share this video to all your friends. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.